Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer DNS records from Route 53 to Cloudflare. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring DNS records from Route 53 to Cloudflare, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Route 53 dashboard. Select the hosted zone you want to transfer. Click on the Records tab to view all DNS records associated with that domain. Take note of all record types, including name, MX, TXT, and NS records. Make a new tab for Cloudflare and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged into Cloudflare, click on the Add a Site button. Enter the domain name that you want to transfer and click Add Site. Choose the plan that fits your needs and complete the initial setup. Cloudflare will scan for existing DNS records. Once the scan is complete, review the imported records for accuracy. Now, return to your Route 53 dashboard. Manually copy each DNS record from Route 53 to Cloudflare. Be sure to match the record types and values accurately. Once all records have been copied, review them again in Cloudflare. Next, update your name servers with your domain registrar. Replace your current name servers with those provided by Cloudflare. After making the update, save your changes. Propagation may take some time, usually up to 48 hours. During this time, keep an eye on the DNS records to ensure they function correctly. To do this, you can use DNS checking tools available online. Confirm that all records are resolving properly after propagation. Once verified, your DNS records are now successfully transferred from Route 53 to Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.